guys, welcome to another class of UI UX. My name is Michael. Um, Today we will be creating an interactive calendar, and I think if you have been following my classes, I think this something like this wouldn't be a problem because I got the time and all those icons from Iconify, and this is also from Iconify. Okay, this is just text. This is just me trying to manipulate a rectangle. This is from my Conify. So today's let me undo. So today's design would be we will be focusing on this wherever you get to scroll across a calendar and it's interactive and not static. So what do we do? So anyways, as you can see right here by the asset, you can see all the components I created. So since we have 31 days in a month, I had to create for every component, every number I had to create components for them, like you can see. So when you scroll, it moves to blue, but when you click on it, it is red, as you can see from the display video. So anyway, so how do we do that? It is quite simple. So just so I don't actually waste your time, and I'll make it as easy as possible. So this is what you do, you know, just take it, probably may give it a, I don't know, 5, okay? And when you give it like, let's say 5, let's put a number to it. Let's say you click on T for text, you put on 3. Let me use 7. I like 7 because my favorite footballer is Cristiano Ronaldo. So let's put it 7. And then you create component, you create the 1, you create 2. So anyways, you change the color here to white. Probably let's just make it the other part purple. I'm not going to use this. I don't want to use this. I'm trying to create something different, but if you want to use this, it's fine. You can follow the same color palette I use here, or you can as well just, choose something else you like. I always try to, I'm always very partial when it comes to blue. Most of my design have blue. Maybe it's safe for me, but anyways, so let's click on let's make it purple. So which means I am actually not giving it an instruction yet. So let's click on this. Let's say white because white kind of like stands out when it's, the color is a little bit sharp. So let's make this okay, let's make instead of red, let's see, we could try something. I don't know what color is this. Okay, so let's make an interaction here. So you go to prototype. Um, for those who are just joining or this is your first class, I would actually love you to go through the first class so you get to understand some basics, right? Because in UI UX, you would have to make reference to things you actually learned from the beginning. No information is invalid. They are all very important. So let's say you take it to here and I'll click on okay, Smart Anime. So when I click on this, it brings me here. No, so while hovering means when you scroll past something. So look at this part. This is while hovering. So it means when I scroll past the calendar, how do I want it to react? Okay, like you just scroll past. You can use this while hovering on different designs. You could use it on image when you go through an image, it zooms in. When you scrolls out, it zooms out. I think I would actually do a class on that soon. It's actually very important. It's common in most designs. So, anyways, you draw. So, what do we do again? So beg your pardon. So, we want to create another interaction. So, when it moves from here, we want it to be on sorry, just so when it moves from here on top, it should be on this. But when you click on when it's on green, and let's say I'm trying to make a calendar, right? Like let's say I'm trying to set up a reminder. And then I'm trying to make sure that when I click on number 7, I can edit number 7, or probably I like number 7, like, okay, this day is special, probably it's a birthday, an anniversary, or something like you probably want to remember. So let's say you click on it and it's 7. Let's say it's a mistake. You were supposed to click on 8. This brings it back to the normal. So on top. Okay, so I think I have another 7 here. Oh, so let me come here and see if it's okay. I have so many sevens here. I think it would be better I use a number that's not there. So let's use 88. Um, 88. Um, 88. Let me centralize it. Centralize it. I'll take it to design. So prototype does not centralize it. Okay, 88. So where is 88? So you check the components. As you can see, I have a lot of components here. So where is 88? Okay, here it is, 88. So let's have a screen. Let's have an iPhone. I don't know. This point doesn't really matter. So let's just try it out. Prototype. How do we want it? Okay, I think it's perfect. So 88, okay. So let's see how it goes. All right, as you can see, when you scroll past it, it actually changes to purple. But let's say you want to click it, it's green. And let's say you want to click it back. So if you were trying to make a calendar with this, what you need to do is you would have to create the component for every number. So look at it has to be the same, like one, two, three. You can play around with it. You can change the design. If you probably feel, well, maybe the colors should be different. Maybe, I mean, when you click on number 2, the color should be different. It is your choice, but thank you guys for watching and see you next class. Bye bye.